till the motherfucking sun.
Hey y'all, it's me Prettywitty 77 and welcome back to another edition of the Deep Condish, where we deep condition our hair weekly while we get the dish on what happened in hip hop and pop culture. So grab your conditioners and let's condish this. If you guys want to know what I'm deep conditioning with this week, well, I feel like hair in my eye. But you can always check out the description boxes. I'll always feature it down there. And as always, if you're visiting my channel for the first, second, third, fourth, fifth time, you just don't know where to find the subscribe button, click down below and subscribe to my channel. And thumbs up this video for GP, everyone. Also, y'all, I'm deep conditioning my hair on freshly washed hair. And it's damp right now. It may look dry, but got a little moisture going on. Why don't some people like the word moist? I don't know, but let me get on top, okay? Because I love rambling. But anyways, we're gonna start off this week with the well, I can say a mixed segment, fist pump of the week. We're gonna keep it really cute and short because I be looking, y'all, but then I don't really be finding like stories or whatever. But we're gonna give this one to Chance. I feel like every time I mention Chance the rapper, it's always something good, something positive. So he's gonna be celebrating his 25th birthday and he's throwing a party, but it's gonna kind of double as a fundraiser, and it's for his organization. I think it's called Social Work or something like that. It's basically to like help kids around the city of Chicago. So yeah, he's throwing a party and all of the proceeds is going to be donated to the organization. Shout out to you, Chance. I think that's amazing that I feel like he's so young. Some people might feel like he's a little older, but I feel like he's so young and positive, a real positive influence. I can't recall any time I've seen his name in the media for anything like negative. So shout out to you, Chance. Also, Cardi B, on her album sales as well as her deal, she just struck a deal with Fashion Nova, y'all. So she's supposed to be coming out with her own like line, kind of designing her own line. I think everybody's familiar with Fashion Nova. Their jeans are life, and I don't care what nobody say. A lot of people be making jokes like, oh, it's a Fashion Nova outfit. See, some of them be cute. Get your life, okay? Anyways, also in this fist pump news for the week, BET is going to be rebooting a series of Boomerang. So don't know how that goes. I know that movie is classic, but a lot of people have mixed opinions on like it coming back or whatever. So let me know in the comments how y'all feel about that. Did y'all like the movie? I'm pretty sure everybody liked the movie Boomerang. Yeah, so we're gonna jump into the mix segment, and I feel like this is like the most talked about thing that happened in the medias this week. It's the whole thing about Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, and even Lil Quavo was slapped in there. Okay, so here's the TCs. Nicki Minaj, okay, Cardi B dropped the album. She was doing good. She done broke records, most streams in a week, you know, for her album. She didn't beat Taylor Swift's record. You know, she doing her thing. You know, she's pregnant. Finally came out the closet that she was pregnant and was ready to reveal to us. And Nicki started tweeting like numbers 3, and then the next day she tweeted 2, and then after that she basically told us that she was finna drop 2 singles. Who cares what the name is? So yeah, I'm trying to be not biased. I'm trying to be not biased, y'all. Yeah, but yeah, so she announced that she was dropping 2 singles. She dropped the singles, and also there were clips about an interview she did that came out, right? So in the interview they asked her something about Cardi B, and she was like, oh yeah, you know, Cardi's cool. The only thing that disappointed her about me was when she had an interview and what did she say? She said she had an interview and she don't basically like the way that she didn't this is not a quote, but she's, you know, I'm just gonna put it in my own words. Basically, she didn't like the fact that Cardi didn't thank her for being on a song with her and just give her praise, because when she was coming up and when she was working with artists just as big, she, you know, showed respect and, you know, thanked them for working, being on the same track with her. But the thing is, Motorsport is the song that they talking about. That one Cardi B song. So I can see if you hopped on a Cardi B song and, you know, Cardi didn't thank you, but it wasn't her song. Cardi was thrown onto the song that you were already on, and she said she had some problem when Cardi did the interview about being on a song with her. Cardi was like, Nicki Minaj had already been on the song. She got thrown on the song, and Nicki had to go through some changes. Her verse wasn't finished, and she was like, it wasn't the same verse that was on there now, or whatever. And then Nicki was like, Nicki tweeted, being messy. I feel like she was being messy. She was like, how you gonna say I changed my verse? This is after she had already did the interview talking about Cardi B hurt her feelings. Girl, she was acting all choked up like she was about to cry. But sis didn't keep that same energy when she got on Twitter, because she was talking all slick, talking about how you gonna say I changed the verse when your label is when they took a singing part of Nicki off the verse, and her label ordered her to take Cardi's name out of her verse. So Cardi, Cardi one told them to tell them her that. So anyway, she was trying to be shady, and she also threw in information about why people want to know why they were on the same song together and why they weren't in the video together. But Nicki came saying that her hairstylist couldn't be there for her day of the shoot, so she had to shoot on another day because she didn't have no hairstylist. And you know, they were saying that people knew that, and talking about, oh yeah, and Cardi, by the way, Cardi's using my hairstylist now. The person who does Nicki Minaj's hair and Cardi B's hair also does Beyonce hair, and did hair for all types of people. Like, he's booked with the celebrity. So why did Nicki feel the need to, when in an interview, throw in, oh, by the way, she's using my hairstyle? Like, girl, what are you? Everybody hairstylist. Like, he the bomb. He everybody hairstylist. So why? I feel like she has a shady nature now. A lot of people jumping on the Cardi B bandwagon, but y'all, I never was a huge Nicki fan. Well, no, let me not say her huge. I never was a Nicki fan, period, before there was no Cardi B, before there was nobody. I just really have never been a fan. I don't know. I feel like her music is a little too much. I feel like it's a little too prissy for my liking. Yeah, it's a little like egotistical, and you know, I ain't really on it. I just want to hear some good, you know, trap, rap, some stuff that I can relate to, which is why I vibe with Cardi's album. So yeah, I ain't switched teams and nothing, sis. I was just never on it. So let me know about that, how y'all think that. How do y'all like the Nicki Minaj songs? I really don't care, so please don't comment. But yeah, I didn't listen to them, because even if this beef wasn't going on, she still would have got a scream from me. I just never, let me stop, because I really sound like a hater right now, you know. Stay out my comments, you know what I'm saying. But what's poppin'? But yeah, let me know what y'all think about that. Anyways, we're gonna go on to Karrueche and her boo Victor Cruz. I often say Q's, girl, but accent. They was all hugged up, smiling, kissing. They on some kind of tropical vacation, girl. And they posted pictures on social media. And Chris Brown felt the need to jump in the comments. And he put like the couples emoji, and then like ... him walking off like he was kind of sad. And he also put in the comment section under the picture, relationship goals. And since then, we discovered that Mr. Breezy has since then deleted his Instagram page. So I'm thinking that something is going on with him mentally. But he did have a whole baby on her, so what you sad for? You know what I'm saying? Like, why are you so sad? Because she moved on? Because, like, you know what, she's still supposed to be like moping around for you or something? Like, I don't know. We don't know if this is the reason that he deleted it to begin with, but you know, it is what it is. Also, Mariah Carey, this is totally off topic, but she had recently came out and said that she was diagnosed with bipolar 2 disorder. She's been really dealing with it since 2001, and she said that she kind of felt like people were gonna like hold it against her, try to use it and try to like sell her story and try to out her. So she basically just came out and like told the media or whatever. my heart goes out to her, but a lot of people being rude in the comment section, talking, we already knew she was crazy. Whitney was something like, bruh, mental illness is nothing to play with. You know, I just hope she get better, and I hope that, she said she's learning to deal with it. I just hope that, y'all, I mean, some of y'all really mentally, okay, let me stop. That wasn't cool. But yeah, so basically, let me just get off the mess segment and head right on to the witty listens for the week. This week I've been listening to Big Krit because I'm about to see him live. By the time you see this, I have seen him the day before. Okay, so yeah, I've been listening to my Big Krit, you know, getting ready for the concert or whatever. Also, I've been listening to Drake, Nice for What. I feel like I've been listening to that for a long time. I just can't get it out of my head. Every time I hear it, I just be wanting to dance. Like, it's an anthem, it's a summer vibe, you know what I'm saying? So also my witty homework, you know, I gotta give y'all homework by songs that you guys don't know. So I want you guys this week to check out the artist Jesse Boykins III. He has a song called I Wish. So I want y'all to go listen to that song and let me know on my social medias, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, at Prettywitty77. Tell me how you like the song, and don't forget to use the hashtag WittyListens to tell me what you guys have been listening to for the week. Yes, sis. Oh, this conditioner this week, sis. I can't wait to tell y'all how it is. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button off GP. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like I said that again. Anyways, it's the 3rd week. So next week, it's supposed to be a live deep condition. It's not going to be. But I have reasons for that, and I'll let you guys know. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on next Sunday, because I'm still going to bring y'all with another video. I'm going to still hit you with it. But anyways, peace.
Lead and never follow. Love the people, be other people. Humble yourself and pray. History remembers kings.